How to add a new product on Tradekey. Go to tradekey.com and sign in your account. Members area and press Selling. Press Add New Product. Start from selecting the right category. You can directly search category or select from the provided list. Enter product name. Enter appropriate keywords or phrase that will help relevant buyers to find your products. Provide detailed description of your product. You can upload and attach product images and videos. Select product group. You can create a new group from here too. Enter product specifications. This information will help buyers find your product in search results. Buyers can use item specifications to refine their search and find your product faster. You can attach company brochure. Trade information. A competitive information that will enable buyers to take interest in your product. Mention the minimum order quantity which you can deliver to the customers. Select unit type. Mention the freight on board or FOB price. Select unit type. Mention supplyability of your product. Select unit type and duration. Mention the delivery time of your product. For example, 15 to 20 days. Mention the packaging details, that how you pack your products. Like, box, curtain, or any other way. Provide place of origin of the product. Press Post Product. Your product has been added and under approval. It will be visible once it is approved.